today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some cute miniatures using a bunch of awesome stickers that were sent to me from AllAboutPartyBags. They sent me 8 sheets of stickers, and these include emojis, unicorns, bears, princesses, cats and mermaids. And in a recent poll, I asked you guys what type of miniatures you wanted to see, and the majority of you chose unicorns, so that's what I'm going to be making today. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also, click the notification bell so you never miss a video.